Hey guys, welcome to Techno Salad. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make use of Twitter's latest disappearing tweet feature, Fleets. So let's get started. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming useful tech videos like this. Twitter Fleets appear at the top of the app in round bubbles with the icon of the user who posted them in the center. Once they are posted, they stay there for 24 hours and then expire so the people can no longer access them. First, make sure that the Twitter app on your smartphone is updated. Let's see how you can fleet on Twitter. Open Twitter app and tap on Home tab at the bottom of the screen. On the top, you will see your profile picture with the plus icon. Just tap on it. This will navigate you to the screen where you can select image from camera roll. Of course, you need to grant Twitter access to your camera roll for that. You can even post a text and also apply styles like making text bold, text color change, etc. You need to grant Twitter access to camera and microphone as well so that you can use capture and video options. With capture option, you can capture a photo and fleet it on Twitter. You can even add text over the photo. With video option, you can shoot a video, add text over it, mute video sound and post it on Twitter using Fleets. Once you select your desired format, simply tap on Fleet button located at the top right corner to post it on Twitter. If you are seeing someone's fleets, then you can react to it and also reply to them. Twitter Fleets is like a Instagram stories and lasts for 24 hours and appear on the top of the timeline. This new feature is available to all the users globally and you can use them on iOS and Android devices. So that was all about Twitter's latest disappearing tweet feature, Fleets. If you find the video informative and helpful, then please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.